Hi everyone, this is the unboxing of the Bosch EasyDrill 1200, and this is a cordless drill driver, 12 volts, 30 Newton meters max of torque. I think that's Newton meters. 10 millimeter head, a 3-year guarantee from myBoschTools.com. Right, so if we look around the box. So that's the image of the item. You can see it says EasyDrill 1200. It has a sticker with a QR code and another sticker over here from the same original Bosch. On the side, EasyDrill 1200. And that looks like a, so this is what should be in the box, the drill plus the charging dock. Right, on the other side, Robert Bosch Power Tools, Stuttgart, Germany, okay. A QR code again, and in different languages it tells you what's included. Finally, on the rear side of the box, EasyDrill 1200 cordless drill driver. At the back, EasyDrill 1200, 2 gears, 20 torque levels, ergonomic LED light. You can see the lever is at the top for the 2 gears, the 20 torque levels, number 2. Number 3 is ergonomic, meaning the shape of the handle. And number 4, an LED light at the front of the device. So we'll go ahead and try to open this, shall we? Now I'll need something to take the sticker off or cut it. Let me see. Whoops. It's not going well. Let me try with the edge of this. There we go. Oh, the pen broke. Look at that. There we go. There'll be another sticker over here. Let's see if I can reattach this. Yep, that seems possible. All right, now we'll open the box here. And open. So here's what we have in the box. The 12-volt powerful battery. Three-year guarantee. Extend the guarantee up to 4 weeks after purchase. I'll get how to do it later. Got some they're telling us that they've included some rechargeable batteries. No. So due to a temporary supply shortage, we have supplied this product with a higher performance rechargeable battery as a free upgrade. Okay. So instead of a 1.5 ampere hour, is a 2.5 ampere hour rechargeable battery. Thank you, Robert Bosch. PBA 2.0 ampere hour. Temporarily short. Okay, so instead of 1.5, it's 2.0, according to that document. And according to this one, instead of 1.5, it's 2.5. So which one is it? Is it the is it the 2.5 or the 2.0? Here's what you have as a charger. Original instructions. The English is on page 7. This charger, that's storage instructions. Common sense instructions there. Okay, so the battery charger is intended for charging the rechargeable Bosch ion batteries. You have a charging slot, green battery charge indicator. Okay, the 12 volts charging process, pay attention, okay. The charging process begins as soon as the mains plug for the charger is inserted in the main socket and the battery is inserted into the charging bay. And some troubleshooting tips. Okay. Don't know what this is. We have instructions. English is on page 12. Again, safety instructions. And some usage instructions. Okay. All right, in the box, we have the docking station. And it comes with a Swiss plug, because we're in Switzerland. I say Swiss, but I could also, I'm not sure if it's also German. And here's the actual drill driver. It's actually quite weighty. At the bottom, it says 12 volts. It has a drill bit already inserted. It's a Phillips head. So this looks like it's both right and left-handed use. You have the trigger there. And that's the, all right. Forgot the name for that. You got this thing on the side over here. You can push it that way, or push it that way. There's the LED light. It looks like it's on, but it's not. It's off. Okay. Now let's see if we can remove this. Now, how would you operate it? I suppose you would move this in one direction. Yeah, okay, so a light comes on automatically. Right, so it comes pre-charged. Now if I put that the other way, what happens? Alright, so it reverses the direction. So this is now going clockwise. If I put it the other way, it's anti-clockwise. Alright, at the top we've got this. I don't know what that's for. That's the torque setting, that's from what I remember from the notes. And that's it. So I'll plug the charger in. Oh, by the way, let's see if we can remove this. I'll put that to lock mode, because when it's in the middle, it doesn't move. Okay. So it looks like you squeeze at the ends and pull out. So this is a 2.0 amp. Okay, so although they put something in there saying they'll give us a 2.5, they ended up giving us a 2.0 amp hour, which is this. Okay, now to charge this, we would take that, put it into, so you've got the two holes there, 1 and 2. You've got the two metal pins. They would line up. And then you would push that in like so. And once this is plugged in, I'll plug this in to the electric. See if any lights come on. There we go. So it's a flashing green light. If we look at the manual again, it doesn't tell us about the indicators, how they should be. All right. Well, that will do. Thank you for your help. Thanks for watching. All the best.